Hello, my name is Timothy Hales. I am on the back porch of my first rental arbitrage that really wouldn't be possible without Al Williams and his system. So just a little shout out testimonial, just to say that before taking his class, I never really thought of like Airbnb or short-term rental as anything that like existed outside of big corporations. His facts, data that he puts out really got the wheels turning. So then getting his class and joining the Facebook group and the support between him and the members that are in there, really there's not a price that I could put on it, from the standpoint that I wouldn't be doing this without it. So I picked up a rental arbitrage probably within a month, 2 months of taking his class. Just took action, used some of his scripts to reach out to local landlords from Facebook, Craigslist. Found 2 or 3 that were interested in hearing more. Met with them at the properties, had a budget of what I wanted to pay, just kind of explained to them how it was going to work, and ended up settling on this unit, which we'll kind of go over the details in the next video. And at first, I just wanted to get it rented and listed. I wasn't really worrying about the amount of money I was going to make. But after I saw that there is a need, just like Al said, off the data, that I'm now with no pets, because pets then obviously increase fees. I'm making $1,000 a month, and I'd say the longest since March of 2020, and it's now September, I've gone empty was a day or two. So just being active on the sites that Al talks about, so Furnish Finder, Airbnb, reaching out to Travel Haven, it works. The system works. And we kept it simple. We furnished it for under $5,000. We've recouped that, and we are making money now. And the end game is hopefully 5 to 8 of these down the road. Again, this wouldn't all be possible without Al showing the data, understanding that this is a thing and it's real, and just working through and doing it all. So again, thanks Al, everybody in the Facebook group, and now we'll take a look inside.